Good morning to all my viewers. Thank you for your support. We have come to the same spot for another day of fishing. If you remember, yesterday I had broken my fishing rod. So luckily I had a kind friend Anil who volunteered to repair it for me, and as you can see, the repair work is done pretty well. So I'm hoping that we are able to test this properly and get some fish. Let's restart and see if we can get some bites. As my friend pointed out, we are after groupers today, not snappers like I had mentioned earlier. So yeah, so we're using this curly tile bait. It's pretty much the same that we used the last time round, except that that one had anchor hooks, this one doesn't. Shift on the other side a little bit just to see if we can increase the possibility of getting a bite. As of now, this is low tide, and unfortunately it doesn't look very promising because I've had a friend who has been fishing here much before I came this morning. So he said the results have not been very positive. So I'm just gonna see if there's any luck on this side. Hopefully I'll have some groupers. Let's see if we can take it from there. Just huge rocks there, and that's my concern. Because those could pose a huge threat for our lure to get stuck somewhere. Yeah, that's a fish. There's a fish. Yes, fish on. Really small snapper. Sorry, that's not a snapper. That's a grouper. A very small one. So what we are going to do is we probably use this small guy, catch him back when he's big. So just leave him for now. He's probably going himself. Yes. It's a very small grouper. So just gonna take the little guy back. It's good. We got a fish after all. It's nothing like getting a fish. So it's good. It's good. Really tiny guy. on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. That is another grouper. This is a good size grouper. So we're gonna keep this guy. Coming spot. Usually the groupers are near the rocks. Oh yeah, there's one more. Yeah. So this is a good size grouper because I can make out with the drag. Oh yeah, he's stuck. Stuck. He's stuck. He's going under the rocks, which is in not a good sign. There's the grouper. So he's a good size grouper. So definitely a good size grouper. So he's a keeper for sure. Yeah. Small grouper, I think. Very tiny. Very tiny guy. Really tiny guy. Not that tiny after all. So we're just gonna keep him since we already have two. That's the spot. There are a lot of groupers. So that's where we want it to be. And we'll be hopefully catching a big grouper. On the smaller ones. Yeah, that's the spot. Oh yes, 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 oh yes. Oh, he's in between the rocks. Can you believe it? Yeah, he's in between the rocks. So I'll have to probably get there because it's not that far. Hopefully if it's not that late. It's a good size fish. So that's a good size fish. It's good. Luckily the terrain worked for us. Otherwise we would have missed the fish. So I'm just gonna get him to my bag as soon as possible. That's a good size grouper, guys. Good size grouper. I think one more time on this side. See if there's any luck we have with that whatsoever. Then call it a day. Because it's getting sunnier. It's going to be hot real soon. Don't want to be bathing in the sun and getting a whole lot of tanned skin, which you can easily avoid. And again, this is not where we have all the groupers. Yes, it's a very tiny one. It's a real tiny one. So we're just gonna release this small guy. So just gonna catch and release. It's a really small guy, tiny guy. I don't know how we got entangled with this. Just gonna take it easy. Yeah, I'm gonna release you. Take it real easy. Yeah. Will you take it easy? Yeah. If you can do that, I can do this. Then we could release you back to your house. Yeah. Go there. Oh shit. Christ. What did I do? Broke my wheel. Lost angle as well. Just gonna cut this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's a fish. Yeah, that's funny. Because I just left my. Oh no, that's not a fish. That's dirt. The beach cleaning process for today. There you go. It's a dirt. Just gonna put it up in the shore. It's a big fish. It's a big fish. Anyway, so thank you all for watching our channel. Like I keep saying, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and help us keep this channel going, content going. We appreciate your support. Until the next time, bye.